Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Online Business Entrepreneur. In this video we're gonna see how to make free PayPal money in 2019 easiest method I know. As I found this website a lot of this search guys. First, subscribe to my channel. In this video we're gonna see best way to make free PayPal money in 2019. This is the new method guys. You can earn $2 per click, earn $20 per sign up. I think it's the lots of money guys. Just $2 per click is gonna available worldwide guys. My friends ask, is God only in the US or only in the tier 1 country? It's available in the worldwide guys. If you watch it till the end, I will show little hack to boost your income to make even more money guys. Wait and watch till the end the video, and let's dive into the video. First, you need to subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends, and comment below what you think about this video guys. Let's dive into the video. This website is called cashload.net. This is a pretty good website guys. You get paid $25 sign up. Just sign up guys. $25 just to sign up. You actually paid sign up to receive your special link that you can share. For every click get you will earn $1, and every sign up you will earn $5. This is the old one guys. I show you earn $2 for every click, earn $25 per sign up, and make money by task also guys, and cash out with PayPal, Cash App, Western Union, Mailchimp and more guys. Quick support, great payout guys. Almost 300k members are signed up. $9.7 million are paid. This business almost been 3 years guys. This is also have a good legitimate website. Many people are post there. Come on guys. This website are located in the museum of the city of New York, above the museum city of New York. And if you have any doubt, please ask the Twitter handle, Instagram or Facebook guys. Let's how to sign up. Let's dive into dashboard page. First you click the sign up button and you get just registration process. It's normally like a username, password or kind of thing, and you get dive into the dashboard. This is my dashboard look like guys. I already earned $25 because of I signed up, and you get paid. You see guys, you get paid referring friends, share link, earn $2 for each click, $20 for each sign up. You get guys, is easy sign up. Just sign up, ask your friends, ask your families, just go and get a sign up guys. See, this is a referral link. I put my link down in the description. Click for me guys, that's no charge for you. Click for me guys, please. I put the link below my description. Click and sign up guys with this link. And you just need at least, it's not a threshold, you just clear the task they given. I think it's the easiest task guys. You also have a survey, YouTube submission, referral is the main one. As I told you here guys, referral is the main one to make good amount of money with this. Let's check out. You at least get 30 clicks. It's mean you get $60. At least you get 10 sign up. It's mean $100. 15 tasks or any kind of task, surveys, YouTube submission, I think any kind of task. You finish at least 15 tasks. It is the threshold mark. If you finished your sketch fully and you request payment, pay the PayPal. Click on payment and see how's the payment. You also notice to click sign up task, guys. It's the legitimate way. It's been here almost 3 years. It's a good website. Cashload. This payment service settings are not set properly. First you set. I don't have a payment history. Just signed up for you guys. And just go and copy your link and share with your friends and make good amount of money with this, guys. People are making good money with this, lots of money with this. If you finish all this task, I think your account balance above $500. I think above $500 you get easily get 500 free PayPal money, guys. You get also a good service for $20 and YouTube submission. Lots of method way to make money, guys, with this website. You get actually you make a good money with easy quiz, or let's take some quiz, guys. Just for I take this just for you guys. I take this quiz. I don't want to take this quiz because it's take lots of. You have just I have 4. It's refresh every day, guys. You don't worry, it's not coming, it's not going out. It's refresh every day. Finished once, you get another one, guys. It's easiest way. It's the main way to make money. Just your referral, guys. Just your referral. Easy way to earn money over and over again. Free PayPal money, guys. Easy way to make money. I just make already $25, guys. Do you see $25 I make also good amount of money with this. Let's dive into YouTube submission. What the YouTube submission called? Just you create talking about Cashload, upload. You also get a good amount of money with this, guys. You create a video like this and put it to YouTube, put a tags like this and make good amount of money with YouTube submission. Take survey. This is the way you can make good amount of money, guys. Easiest way to make good amount of free PayPal money. It's available worldwide. Nothing where you can here, where you can, where are you from, where are you here. It's nothing about the matter, guys. Just it's work. That's all, guys. It's the easiest way to make money. Don't be afraid. It's the easiest way to make money, guys. Do you see, guys? Nothing. I cannot do nothing. It's get one task. It's filled like. Just easily make a good amount of money with this, guys. Make good amount of money with this, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you understand how to make money with this website, guys. Like and subscribe and share with your friends. Comment below what about think this website. I love you guys. Peace. Make money online.